little one to go up on the step. Can you call your son to go on the
Sure. Okay. Ray, you can sit in the front. It's easier. Go up the stairs. Come on. Dee, come on. Come on. Okay, you can touch a koala close by.
He's very fluffy.
All right.
And everyone, look up at this camera here.
Yeah. Oh, sure. No problem.
If you stand behind me, you can call them.
Okay. Dee, Ray, come on.
Look
Take
up
a look.
Here, guys, just up here.
Take a look.
There you go. Ready? Big smile. Look up at the...
Look at the camera. No.
Dee, Ray, look at the camera. Dee,
Guys, look up here.
look up here.
There you go. Keep looking.
That one?
Oh, no flashing. Go on.
No flash?
1 second. Look up here. Keep looking. I need a tiny bit more face alive.
Come on, turn around.
Keep looking, guys. You're doing a good job. Yep, look up here. Up here, buddy.
Dee, look at there.
Up here, buddy. Look up here.
That one?
Did it work?
Yep.
Good job.
Did it work?
The next two singles, who was that? Was she getting one by herself? She had
No.
next two singles.
youngest
You had a plus one.
Yeah. That's it.
Oh,
That's it.
okay,
Yeah.
that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
So we got 229 flags.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thanks, guys. Your photos will print at the cafe.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Let's go out this way.
Yeah, it's just like they're holding me and then it's very
Tight.